Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with the ultimate Pokemon hack. Now, this is the one that you were looking for all day long. It's called Hackemon, and it will allow you to farm Pokemons, level up real fast. Like in half an hour, you're leveling up like 5 levels, 6 levels, 7 levels, and such. And you have nothing to do, just start and stop a program. Now, this is called Hackemon, like I said. It's available at GitHub. I will have the link in the description, and the interface looks like this. I already started, but what I encourage you to do is create a secondary account. Don't use that on a main account. If you get banned, you will have to wait 4 hours, or maybe you get banned forever, so who knows. Don't want to lose your progress and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's start this program real quick here. All right, so as you can see, it's a real nice interface. Let's start with the basics. So you have the start and stop right here. Right now it's running, so I will not stop it right now. And you have your login type. You can choose your Pokemon Go or your Google account to log in. Now it's real easy. I would recommend Pokemon Go, and should it be a secondary account. All right, now the information, like you see, I'm already at level 5. I started at level 0 and it jumped to level 6 right now. So it's leveling up by itself. I'm not doing anything. As you can see, the Pokemon is walking by itself and stuff like that. And the information right here is catching Pokemons, selling them and stuff to the professor and all sorts of things like that. Now, what I encourage you to do is when you open this program, set your longitude and latitude to the same place that you are on the GPS. So don't put it like in another country or anything like that, because if you log in, the Pokemon will spawn to your location and they will realize that you have moved really fast, geolocation, and they will ban you again. So don't want to do that. Set your own location and you'll be fine. All right, so we'll stop it for a second to show you some things around the app itself. So basically we have the bot right here. So this is the interface. This is a Google interface if I'm not mistaken. Here is the little guy, so it definitely looks like Google. And here we have the information, like how much XP I gained. This was like half an hour tops. We have the settings right here. And like I said, initial spawn location, set this to your own. Exploration radius, I would say 750 meters. That's good enough. Like nobody's gonna walk around like 3-4 miles. Maybe you're walking around a very famous place where lots of Pokemons spawn. All right, and you can click this, allow rare Pokemon sniping, exploit, snipe only if minimum Pokeball is 20. That's good. Auto snipe every 20 seconds. You can put this to a larger number. Now, humanizer, this is the important factors. If you don't want to get banned, you can set this to fast human. You can put 5 kilometers per hour or 10 or whatever you wish. Don't put unrealistic stuff right here. If you say fast human, like put maybe 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers already running. So you want to change it to bicycle, standard car, or fast car. But like I said, it's a humanizer, like a human emulator. Don't put stuff like that. That's not realistic. And Google Map road finding heuristic, road walk, road cycle, drive. Yeah, so this needs to be the same as this one. So if you're a fast human, you're road walking and not driving. You can cycle, of course. All right. And the max added noise should be 1 meters. Yeah, that's good. Otherwise, I didn't touch anything right here, so I left it as it is. About Pokemon, so you can auto catch Pokemons with the minimum CP of 10. Select Pokemons to exclude. If you don't like certain Pokemons, you can, for example, this one, the Bulbasaur, I can put him right here, or I can remove him back. Exclude whatever you don't want to see. Minimum IVs is like 10. You can crunch the numbers right here and put anything you like. Consume raspberries to increase capture chance when needed. This is good to be toggled on. Duplicate Pokemon transfers, enable automatic transfer. That's good. Max CP 1000. You can adjust these numbers as well. Select Pokemons to exclude from transfer. You can do these. These were default, so I left them as it were. I suppose these are the important Pokemons. I don't know every Pokemon by heart, but I suppose these are the important ones. So not transferring them if they're duplicate or anything like that. Max IV is 80. I don't know what that means. Otherwise, let's see the items to recycle. This was enabled by default. Item Pokeball auto recycle, and these are the ones that are auto recycling by default. And Lucky Eggs enabled by default. I left it at that. So hopefully, guys, you like this interesting tutorial, and this will help you level up much faster in Pokemon. This is available for Mac. This is available for Windows and also on Linux, because this is basically a Java little program that's running. As you can see, there's no executable, it's just a Java little file, and all you need is Java SDK 8. If I'm not mistaken, it's somewhere right here. It says Java 8. All you need to do is install Java 8. You click on this link and it takes you to the Java site, and you have to accept the license agreement and download your own version. So Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows if you're on Windows. This works on any platform. I just showed you on the OS X. It's a great solution to catch Pokemons. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Also, guys, if you like my videos, make sure you check out my other videos I made on this channel. And if you really like what I'm doing and you want to stay up to date with everything I do, just hit the subscribe button and you will get notified of the latest updates.